I'm Xenia, I'm from Switzerland. Now I've been volunteering here for 2 months and a half. I've already volunteered last year. I wanted to come back to finalize my trip in a good way. For me, like, corals are an interesting animal and very mysterious. A lot of people don't know that it's an animal. It's crazy to think that they still think it's a plant or a rock or something. But no, it's an animal, and it's really important for us humans. We rely on it for food, for activities like diving, so to protect us from storms and things like this. It's really important for me to do something, especially as a diver and as a person too. When we do an activity like diving, when you know it can harm the nature and animals, you have to inform yourself and know what you're doing and know what you're dealing with. There are simple steps like controlling the buoyancy and like this that everyone can do. Coral reefs have been here for a million of years. I think they can adapt and survive themselves, but for themselves, but we can help them. Everyone can participate in this. Corals live in symbiosis with a lot of animals, plants, and all the nature. So why can't we do the same?